Hello everyone, welcome back to Look of a Kind. For a few years now, I had wanted to do a fall tree. I wanted to add a little more fall to my space and had a tree that I could try this on. Let's see how this turns out. This is a 6-foot Christmas Parsons pine with burlap base that I found off-season at Walmart for $15. These amber lights I found at Walmart also. These normally come out around Christmas. Not all Walmarts have them, so if you see them, you should pick some up. Before I put the lights on the tree, I straighten them out to get the maximum length. Here is a tip. Test your lights before you put them on the tree. You don't want to take time to put lights up to then find out that your lights don't work. Then you have to take them down. Ask me how I know. Here is another tip. When it comes to twist ties on my extension cords, I take the tie and wrap it around the cord so that when I'm done using it, I can fold it up and have a twist tie available. I don't have to look for one. Also, if you want to save some time, you can put your lights on your tree while they are lit. You can see the areas that need to be covered up as you go. I got this leaf garland from Hobby Lobby on clearance a few years ago. For this tree, I used 2 of them. Because this tree will be seen from 3 sides, I placed the leaf garland in a zigzag on the front and sides of the tree. Placing it in a zigzag lets me cover more on the tree. After I have the garland in place, I maneuver the leaves to face outward and help cover up open areas. This tree originally came with pine cones, but were taken off for Christmas. I put those pine cones back on. This is one of the fall crafts that we did years ago. We did these with the intent of putting them on a fall tree. I decided to use twine to hang these ornaments. What I did was thread the eye of the ornament with a loop left on one side. Next, I took the loose ends on the other side, brought it over the eye of the ornament and through the loop of the twine. Then I pulled through. Then I tied the loose ends of the twine together to make an opening big enough to hang. I wanted to cover up the base of the tree because I'm not a fan of burlap. I bought this fabric from Hobby Lobby and thought it would look great under the tree. This is what I ended up with. Because this is a smaller tree, I did not want to go overboard with ornaments. I wanted something simple, so the only items I used on this tree were the lights, garland, the pine cones that came with this tree, and the ornaments that the family painted. I hope this helps with your decorating.